time lapse here. This line moving east of the I-75 corridor, basically south of Knoxville. We do have what are called special weather statements. They go here right about 7:15, about to expire. Basically means it's below severe limits, but you could still be seeing some winds, maybe 35 to 40 miles per hour. Now this line still producing some very heavy rainfall, places like Alcoa, Maryville, up through Rockwood, and also into the downtown Knoxville area. As we go over the next couple of hours, I still think we'll see these slowly diminish in intensity, but we don't need any more rain up into southeast Kentucky. We had some 3 to almost 4-inch rainfall estimates in some portions of Whitley and Bell County right across the border here in Tennessee from Campbell County earlier. And there's another little bit of rain starting to make its way through Jellicoe right now. As I mentioned, though, still the opportunity, a medium threat for some flash flooding across the area. Doesn't mean everybody will see it, but everybody has an opportunity. The closer to and then beyond sunset time frame we get, again, which is 9 o'clock, things will slowly start to quiet down across the area once this cold front pushes through. But boy, there's been a lot of moisture across the area today, as I've been mentioning since last week. Once the front pushes through, though, I really think you're going to notice a bit of a change in the air mass, especially later tonight, and then more so by the time we get to Thursday morning across the area. By tonight, we're still going to see temperatures probably in the mid-40 or mid-60s rather. Oneida and Allert, 65 at Fairfield Glade. We're still at about 70 for Knoxville and Alcoa. And with all the rain that we've had, some breaks in the clouds, there's going to be some reduced visibility due to fog first thing as you head out the door on Wednesday morning, so keep that in mind. Dry atmosphere tomorrow. We're in the upper 80s, which is average for this time of year, but a light north to northwest wind should make it a little less humid. So in the shaded areas, it's not as bad. The later in the evening time frame we get tomorrow into Thursday morning, it's going to be comfortable. 62 Barberville and Sneedville, 61 Oneida, 62 in Jamestown, and I wouldn't be surprised to see a few upper 50s in some spots early Thursday morning. We're at about 67 here in Knoxville. It's a brief dip, though, in the comfort cast. We're right back to sticky, if not tropical, as we go late week through the weekend, just in time for the holidays, right? But it does look mainly rain-free, which is going to be nice. Tomorrow, about 87 in Barberville, 86 in Middlesboro, 85 degrees in Williamsburg, and 86 in Stearns. Watch for the fog in the morning. Otherwise, a very nice afternoon on tap. Back across the plateau, a little drier than it's been the past couple of days. This area has picked up a lot of rain over the past few days. It does look drier. Cumberland County up into Fentress and Scott. You're at about 84 there from Oneida to Crossville. La Follette's at about 86. And we'll be close to average here in the Knoxville area. Again, 88's our average high, and we will be close to that for most areas. Sevierville, Maryville, all the way down towards Madisonville as well. Morning clouds and fog with some afternoon sunshine. Mountains look nice. 71 chimney tops. I think the highest peaks up towards Kuohi, which is about 6,600 feet elevation. You're talking probably low 60s. So if you really want that fall feel, just go up in elevation. I do have a very slight chance of a shower early in the morning here, but I do think we're drying out very quickly as we go through the afternoon hours. Next 7 days, we'll keep it mainly rain-free. Comfortable mornings, especially Thursday into Friday, relatively speaking, for, again, July time frame. But you can tell it's getting more humid because overnight lows are only dipping in the 70s. You combine that with low 90s, and it will feel more like triple digits as we wrap up the holiday weekend. Limited storm chances for Sunday. I think that's mainly over the higher terrain like the Smokies, but spotty storm chances will return early next week. So be careful traveling tonight. Finding on roadways will be a concern where these downpours happen.
And after we get through the night, start to dry a little bit.
Quiet.
All right, Ken. Thank you, sir. Yeah. Hey, still to come.